So, you bought a floor plan online. You found the one. It looks amazing on paper. But here's the real question. Can you actually build it? Let's talk about it. Hi, I'm Tony Alonso, co-founder of our AV I know, really. The easiest part. Yeah. I've said it like a billion times. I'm Tony Alonso, co-founder of AV Architects and Builders. For over 23 years, we've been designing and building custom homes in Northern Virginia. And trust me, we've seen it all. Yes, even those buy now, download instantly floor plans floating around online. So let's break this down. Can you build a house using floor plans you bought online? The answer is maybe. But it's not as simple as clicking Add to Cart. Before we go any further, what exactly is an online floor plan? Online floor plans are pre-designed layouts that outline the dimensions, room configurations, and basic specifications of a home. They're usually fast and cheap, and for many people, they seem like a shortcut to building your dream home. But the truth, they're generic. They're not designed for your lot, your lifestyle, or local codes. So before you fall in love with that dreamy layout, you need to know what you're really buying. First, local building codes and regulations. First up, building codes. Every county, city, even neighborhoods have their own rules and restrictions. And the plans you bought online most likely weren't made with that specific town in mind. If your plans weren't drawn up for your county, they'll likely need changes before they can be approved for construction. So before you even thinking about submitting permits, talk to a local architect or engineer to review your plans and see what is needed. Second, site-specific considerations. Here's another big one. Your lot. An online floor plan might look perfect on paper, but if your lot is sloped, oddly shaped, or sits on poor soil, that changes everything. We've had clients show us plans that just don't match their property. The view's in the wrong direction, the driveway's impossible, or the orientation wastes natural light. Bottom line, your home should be designed for your land, not the other way around. Third, customization and personalization. Let's say you like 80% of the plan, but that last 20%, not quite right. You want to open up the kitchen, add more light, or change the layout. That's where things get tricky. Modifying a pre-designed plan often means undoing and reworking core elements. It's not always as simple as dragging and dropping a few walls. And by the time you've hired someone to rework your design, you may have spent what it would have cost to design it from scratch, with way more headaches. Fourth, builder compatibility and experience. And one more thing, your builder. Some builders are experienced working with online plans, and some are not and are only comfortable working with designs they've created in collaboration with an architect, as these are tailored to their construction methods and local conditions. If your builder isn't familiar with using online plans, they may need to spend additional time and effort adapting the design to their construction practices. This can lead to delays, misunderstandings, and potentially increased costs. Potential challenges and costs of building a house with online floor plans. 1. Modifications and additional design work. Changes to structure, layout, or elevation can trigger a domino effect of rework. So if you're planning or need major modifications, don't forget to factor in extra design fees. 2. Permit approval process. Getting approval from your county or HOA requires detailed, accurate drawings. And if your online plans don't check every box, you're stuck. Third, structural integrity and buildability. If framing plans or load-bearing specs aren't clear, you could run into major issues during construction. So, is building with an online floor plan a bad idea? Not necessarily. You just need to know what you're getting so that you can make the best decision for your dream home goals. At the end of the day, working with an experienced architect and builder offers several huge advantages. 1. Tailored design. 2. Code compliance. And 3. Expert guidance. At AV Architects and Builders, we combine architecture, construction, and real estate under one roof, so nothing gets lost in translation. Want to talk through your ideas? Schedule a discovery call with us. If you're planning to start your custom home project in Northern Virginia, whether you're working off a Pinterest board or a plan that you bought online, we'll help you make the best decision for you. And hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. More design tips and custom home advice coming your way. See you next time. Whoa! Nice. All right. Yeah, we're